Are you ready to ditch the digital clutter and unlock effortless efficiency in your Wix website? Today, we're diving into Wix Workflows, your secret weapon for automating tasks and reclaiming your precious time. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and look for Automations in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of pre-built workflow templates designed for common scenarios. Take a moment to browse through them. These templates cover popular use cases, like automatically thanking customers after a purchase, welcoming new members to your site, or even sending abandoned cart reminders. Select a pre-built workflow or create your own from scratch by pressing the Create Custom Workflow button. Let's build our own. To do this, you'll need to define a trigger, which is the event that sets the workflow in motion. For example, let's select Form Submission. Next, define the action you want to occur when that trigger happens. I want an email to send out. Now, let's customize the email. Add a personalized greeting, include relevant details from the form submission, and don't forget a compelling call to action to keep your audience engaged. Wix lets you tailor every aspect of the email to match your brand and message. Review your workflow, ensuring the trigger and action are correctly configured. Once you're happy with the setup, activate the workflow. Now, your automated system is ready to go. Mastering Wix Workflows empowers you to automate email marketing, streamline bookings, update databases, and optimize your website.